Hello everybody, welcome. My name is Abid. Today we will discuss on the topic of directive principle of the state policy. So guys, we will discuss illustratively about the topic of the Gandhian principle, which will found in part 4th of the Constitution of India from Article 40 to 48. But before this discussion, I would like to shed light upon the topic of the directive principle. So guys, the directive principle of the state policy, the directive principle of the state policy are contained in part 4th of the constitution from article 36 to 51. So guys, this novel idea is borrowed from the constitution of Ireland. We have taken this ideas from the constitution of the Ireland. So guys, these principles are fundamental in governance. These principles are fundamental in the governance of the country, and it shall be the duty of the state to apply these principles in making laws. So guys, when the government want to make any kind of the laws to maintain the system of the government, or you can say to maintain the overall democracy system, so at that time the legislative and the executive had been noticed that when they make their laws, it shall be the duty of the state, or you can say legislative, to apply these principles in making laws according to the framework according to the framework, or you can say according to the guidelines and instruction of the Constitution of India. So guys, before we discuss this topic illustratively, the previous last video I have given you complete reference and we have complete discussion at that time that what is the exact meaning of the directive. So guys, simply means an directive means an instruction or guidelines for whom, for the legislative and the executive, and how to perform an action or reach a goal. So simply you should be understand that directive means an instruction or guidelines that indicates how to perform an action or reach a goal by the legislative and the executive. And guys, the previous last video I have also discussed that there are the two executive in the government of India, and one is the permanent and another is the non-permanent. Permanent are the bureaucrat, or you can say bureaucracy system of the government, and non-permanent are the non-bureaucrat system of the government is the ministers of our nation. So guys, come to the point. Here we will discuss illustratively about the topic of the Gandhian principle. So guys, the first one is here: to organize village panchayats and endow them with necessary powers and authority to enable them to function as units of self-government. So according to the article 40, when the policy maker, or you can say the legislative and the executive, when they make any law, they have a need to mind it the situation of the situation and the issues of the panchayat raj institution, or you can say the issues of the grassroots level government, or the issues of the panchayat raj. So guys, here this topic is related, or you can say Gandhian principle. According to the article 40, we have need to organize a village panchayat and all the necessary power and authorities to enable them to function as units of the self government. So another another discussion here is आर्टिकल 43. आर्टिकल 43 जिसको गांधी जी ने एम्फिसाइज किया है, गांधी जी की आइडियोलॉजी से लिए गए हैं और फ्रेम किया गया है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया में, टू प्रमोट कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज ऑन एन इंडिविजुअल और कॉपरेशन बेसिस इन रूरल एरियाज. सो कॉटेज की जो छोटी मोटी जो झोंपड़ियों में रहने वाले लोग हैं, वो छोटी मोटी जो फैक्ट्रियां इंडस्ट्रीज लगाते हैं, उनको रूरल एरियाज़ में प्रमोट किया जाना चाहिए ताकि वो लोग भी कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज़ की वजह से अपने रोज़गार को बढ़ा सकें. एंड इट इज़ आल्सो द सिंबल ऑफ द डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्रेस ऑफ आवर कंट्री. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द आर्टिकल 43, टू प्रमोट कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री ऑन एन इंडिविजुअल और कॉपरेशन बेसिक इन रूरल areas. So guys, third one is here article 46. So according to the Gandhian principle and under the direction of the Article 46 to promote the educational and economic interest of the SC's scheduled caste STs, scheduled tribes, and other weaker section of the society and promote them from the social injustice and exploitation. So guys, you found that there are the Gujar and Bakarwals, there are the STs, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe people, that the constitution should be provide all the necessities are the essential and the fundamental needs what the STs and the STs are need, and justly, or you can say the government or the parliament should be make like such policies they are suitable for the STs, SCs and other weaker section under the article 46. So simply you should be understand that Gandhian principle under the article of the 46 direct the government and you can say parliament that you have need to minded the issues and problem of the STs, SCs and weaker section, and then make like such policies and programs and laws for such community. So guys, here is 4 point is here that to prohibit the consumption of intoxicating drinks and drugs which are injurious to health. So according to the Gandhian principle under article 47 says that there should be the totally ban on the intoxicating like the drinks, liquor and drugs. जो दवायाँ जिनसे नशा चढ़ता है, जो दवायाँ नशीली होती है या जो शराब लोग पीते हैं या जो शराब की इसकी जिससे हेल्थ ख़राब होती है, चाहे वो दवायाँ हैं चाहे वो शराब है या कोई भी नशेली चीज़ इंसान जो लेता है, तो अंडर आर्टिकल 47 के तहत इन चीज़ों की प्रोहिबिशन करना है, इन चीज़ों को प्रोहिबिटेड करना है, इन चीज़ों के लाइसेंस अलाउ नहीं करने हैं. तो गाइज यू फाउंड दैट if any person you will find anywhere you will find any type of the drinks shop or you can say the liquor shop and drugs like there is the addiction you will find there the addiction medicine. So under the article 47 this type of the activity should be banned and completely stopped. That's why because this we will get through the direction or you can say the directive principle of the Gandhian under article 47. So guys, last one is here. फिफ्थ इज़ टू प्रोहिबिटेड द स्लटर ऑफ द काउज. इसके अलावा हमको गाय वगैरह जो दूध जानवर देते हैं उनको काटना नहीं चाहिए. एंड अदर मिल्ची एंड द ड्रॉट कैटल एंड इम्प्रूव देयर ब्रीड्स, और उनकी नस्ल को बढ़ाना है ना कि उनको मारधार उनको काटना वगैरह है. सो गाइज हियर वी हैव डिस्कस इलस्ट्रेटली अबाउट द टॉपिक ऑफ द गांधीयन principle or and guys I have completely discussed with you about the topic and all the references I have provided to you. So guys, I hope that so guys you understand this topic properly, and this topic was the Gandhian principle, and simply you should be understand that what is the exact meaning of the directive. So simply directive and instruction are the guidelines for the legislature and the executive how to perform an action, how make their policies, how make their laws for the citizens of the nation. So guys, I hope that you have understand this topic properly, and in the end I heartily request you that please subscribe, share and like this video.